Hey beauties, in today's video I'm giving you my experience with Amla oil and the pros and the cons. This video will be parted into 3 parts. First I'm going to show you how I used it, then I'm going to show you the results, and then I'm going to give you the pros and the cons of using Amla oil. In my previous video on Amla oil, I gave you a bit of a background on this oil and how it's trending on TikTok. I also showed you from where this comes from. It comes from the fruit Indian gooseberry. It contains vitamin C. It contains hair boosting benefits. It also has a strong smell, but these Indian women use it as a secret or as a staple in their hair care. I also showed you how these Indian women use it on their hair, and also how I saw a similarity on how black mothers used to do their children's hair. I stated some benefits of Amla oil, and that Amla oil contains a harsh ingredient that is mineral oil that can be damaging to the hair. Next, I showed you what other oils I add to my Amla oil. I use the As I Am Vitamin E oil. I use the Shea Moisture Black Castor oil. And then I add my essential oil, that is peppermint oil, to add more hair boosting benefits. So this step is not necessary, but I do love the oils, the vitamin E oil, the black castor oil. That's why I added it to my Amla oil, because I love these oil on their own. I added the peppermint oil just to get rid of the smell, and it did help a bit. So when you're done adding all your oils in your applicator bottle, make sure to give it a good shake, and then you're good to go. So I didn't show you in this clip, but I did add some MSM powder to my oil, and it made my hair feel dry. I don't know if it's the MSM powder, but I will be talking about this more in the part where I talk about pros and cons of using Amla oil. You guys, the amount of confidence I have coming to you guys looking like this, it's like 4 in the morning, but I did want to film this video for you guys to tell you my experience with using Amla oil on my hair. So I'm going to tell you how I used it on my hair. I use the Amla oil twice, every Monday and every Friday night. I used to oil my scalp before going to bed. I also did a head massage with the head massage tool. I placed a picture of what a head massage tool looks like. I used to do that every Monday night and every Friday night every week. Also, on the days I used to oil my scalp, sometimes I would do the inversion method. I didn't do it every time, but sometimes when I felt like it, I did do the inversion method. The inversion method is simply massaging your scalp and then tilting your head over so it creates blood circulation. That's a simple way of explaining the inversion method to you guys. When I use this oil, I did not wash it out, only every 2 weeks when my wash day was due. I also used to use it as a pre-poo on my wash day. So that's how I've been using the Amla oil on my hair. First, I'm going to start with the cons, and then I'm going to state the pros. It has a very strong smell, and I don't think some people would like the smell, but to me, I don't mind it at all. Someone mentioned in the comment the trick to get rid of the smell is to leave the bottle open for a few days, and that will do the trick to get rid of the smell. I don't know if it works. I haven't tried it yet, but I think it might work. Also, a trick to get rid of the smell is to add some essential oil. I added peppermint oil to mine. You can test it out and see what works for you. Second, it's true that it dries your hair out because of the mineral oil. The mineral oil in the Amla oil does dry your hair out. After using it, I think for 2 weeks on my hair, my hair felt very dry. Even when I just oiled my scalp, my hair would feel dry. I don't know, but I think it's because of the mineral oil. I got a lot of questions in the comment section regarding using Amla oil, and someone mentioned that you can use the gold dabur Amla oil. I don't think that one has mineral oil in it. I haven't tried it out yet, but yeah. Third thing, it stains and it is very messy. This thing stains my pillowcase. My pillow got oil stains all over it, and it was really hard to get rid of. And the reason I say it's messy, I don't like when stuff is dripping down from my hair on my neck. I don't like the feeling, but it's really messy, so be mindful of that. Fourth thing I experienced with using this oil, it creates buildup on your hair. I don't know, it's because of the mineral oil, but this thing creates a lot of buildup. I used to scratch my scalp, and the amount of buildup I got in my nail, I think that's also the reason why my hair felt dry, because the buildup was blocking the moisture from coming in. So now moving on to the pros. First, it does boost hair growth, because I did experience hair growth. I think my hair grew. I didn't do any measurements or measure my hair before using this why do I want to say gel? Before using this oil, I didn't think of a hair challenge or anything, but when I experienced, or when I saw that my hair grew a little bit, I thought of making a video. So it does boost hair growth. It does make your hair feel thicker, or it does make your hair thicker. It gives you shiny hair. I also used to use it as a pre-poo, so my hair looked shiny even after washing the pre-poo out of my hair, and it doesn't irritate your scalp. I didn't experience any inflammation of the scalp. I didn't experience that, so it doesn't irritate the scalp, and it's also a lightweight oil. So we come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was my experience with using Amla oil on my hair. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that down below. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what experiences you had with using Amla oil on your hair, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new upload. See you guys in my next video. Bye.